Hey everybody, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of mobile app security with an awesome tool called MobSF, short for Mobile Security Framework. It's a fantastic open source tool that helps ethical hackers and security enthusiasts like you and me analyze the security of Android and iOS apps. Think of MobSF as your trusty sidekick in the fight against mobile app vulnerabilities. It automates the process of penetration testing, which basically means poking and prodding an app to find weaknesses that hackers could exploit. MobSF is super handy because it can quickly scan an app, analyze its code, and give you a detailed report of any potential security risks. This saves you a ton of time and effort, and it helps you build more secure apps from the get-go. Let's get this thing installed. MobSF offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to both beginners and advanced users. Whether you're just starting out in ethical hacking or you're a seasoned security expert, MobSF has something for you. One of the standout features of MobSF is its ability to perform static and dynamic analysis. Static analysis involves examining the app's code without executing it, which helps in identifying vulnerabilities in the code structure itself. On the other hand, dynamic analysis involves running the app in a controlled environment to observe its behavior. This helps in detecting issues that might only surface during runtime. The detailed reports generated by MobSF provide actionable insights, making it easier for ethical hackers to address the identified issues. These reports include information on potential data leaks, insecure permissions, and other critical vulnerabilities. By integrating MobSF into your ethical hacking workflow, you can ensure that security is a priority from the very beginning. This proactive approach not only helps in building robust apps, but also in maintaining user trust. The MobSF community is also a great resource. With an active forum and regular updates, you can stay informed about the latest security trends and best practices. Engaging with the community can provide valuable insights and support as you navigate the complexities of mobile app security. So whether you're looking to enhance your app's security or simply want to learn more about ethical hacking practices, MobSF is an invaluable tool. Let's dive in and explore its features in detail. Alright, let's get MobSF up and running on your machine. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Just make sure you have Python installed first. Then open up your command prompt or terminal and type in the following command. Hit enter and MobSF will start installing. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so maybe grab a snack while you wait. If you see any minor errors pop up during the installation, don't sweat it. They usually don't cause any problems. Once the installation is complete, it's time to fire up MobSF. Open up your command prompt again and simply type. Hit enter and MobSF will start running locally on your machine. Now open your favorite web browser and go to this address. Boom. You should now see the MobSF web interface, which is super user-friendly. That's where all the magic happens. Now for the fun part, scanning an app. MobSF supports both Android, which are APK files, and iOS, which are .ipa files. For this example, let's grab an Android APK file. On the MobSF web interface, click on the Upload and Analyze button. Choose your APK file and MobSF will work its magic. It decompiles the app, analyzes its code, and extracts all sorts of juicy information. Section 5. Decoding the Secrets, Android Manifest.xml Analysis. One of the first things MobSF analyzes is a file called. Think of it as the app's blueprint. It contains important information about the app's permissions, components, and overall structure. MobSF dissects this file and shows you things like permissions, what data and device features the app can access, like the camera, contacts, and location. Activities, the different screens and functions of the app. Services, background processes that the app runs. Receivers, components that respond to system events. By analyzing the file, MobSF can identify potential security misconfigurations or risky permissions that could be exploited by attackers. Section 6. Unmasking Vulnerabilities Security Analysis with MobSF. In this section, we will delve deep into how MobSF helps in identifying and mitigating security risks in mobile applications. Alright, now for the moment of truth, the security analysis. This is where MobSF truly shines, providing a comprehensive scan of your mobile app's codebase. MobSF scans the app's code for a wide range of vulnerabilities, including but not limited to insecure data storage, code injection, and weak cryptography. Each of these vulnerabilities can pose significant risks if left unaddressed. Insecure data storage. Is the app storing sensitive data like passwords or credit card numbers insecurely? MobSF identifies these risks and provides recommendations on how to secure your data storage practices. Code injection. Are there any loopholes that allow attackers to inject malicious code into the app? MobSF's analysis helps pinpoint these vulnerabilities, ensuring that your app is protected against such attacks. Weak cryptography. Is the app using outdated or weak encryption algorithms? MobSF checks for strong encryption practices, ensuring that your app's data remains secure and encrypted. MobSF categorizes the vulnerabilities by their severity levels, high, medium, low, and provides detailed information about each vulnerability, including its potential impact and how to fix it. This categorization helps developers understand the urgency and importance of each issue. This is invaluable for developers because it helps them prioritize and address the most critical security issues first. By focusing on high-severity vulnerabilities, developers can ensure that the most significant risks are mitigated promptly, enhancing the overall security posture of the application. In conclusion, MobSF is an essential tool for any developer looking to enhance the security of their mobile applications. Its comprehensive analysis and detailed reports make it easier to identify, prioritize, and fix vulnerabilities, ensuring that your app is secure and trustworthy for users. Section 7. Network Traffic Insights, Unveiling Potential Risks. MobSF doesn't stop at just analyzing the app's code. It also intercepts and analyzes the app's network traffic. This is super important because many apps communicate with servers over the internet, and this communication can be vulnerable to eavesdropping or tampering. For example, let's say your app is sending sensitive data to a server called EdgeRush. MobSF will capture this network traffic and show you exactly what data is being sent, where it's being sent, and how it's being protected. If the data is being sent unencrypted, or if the server's security certificate is invalid, MobSF will flag it as a potential risk. Section 8. The power of MobSF comprehensive reports at your fingertips. Once MobSF has finished analyzing your app, it generates a comprehensive report that summarizes all its findings. This report is not just a simple list of issues. It's a detailed document that provides a deep dive into the security aspects of your application. This report is a goldmine of information, and it's incredibly helpful for both developers and security testers. The report includes a variety of sections that cover every aspect of your app's security. For instance, it provides a summary of the app's information, including the version, package name, permissions, and other critical details. This section alone can save developers hours of manual work. Additionally, the report offers a detailed breakdown of any vulnerabilities found. It categorizes these vulnerabilities by severity, provides a description, explains the potential impact, and even offers remediation advice. This makes it easier for developers to prioritize and address the most critical issues first. Another crucial part of the report is the network traffic analysis. This section details the domains contacted by the app, the data sent, and the security of these connections. Understanding this can help in identifying any suspicious or unauthorized data transmissions. The comprehensive nature of the report doesn't end there. It also includes sections on code analysis, third-party libraries, and even recommendations for improving the app's security posture. You can export this report in various formats like PDF, HTML, and JSON, making it easy to share with your team or clients. This flexibility ensures that everyone involved in the development and security process has access to the same critical information, facilitating better collaboration and more secure applications. Section 9. Automated versus manual testing, striking the right balance. Now, while MobSF is an incredibly powerful tool for automating mobile app security testing, it's important to remember that no tool is perfect. Automated tools like MobSF are great at finding common vulnerabilities, but they can't catch everything. That's why it's crucial to combine automated testing with manual testing. Manual testing involves security experts manually reviewing the app's code, testing its functionality, and trying to exploit any potential weaknesses that automated tools might miss. Section 10, level up your security game with MobESF. So there you have it. MobESF is an incredibly valuable tool that can help you build more secure mobile apps. It's free, it's open source, and it's super easy to use. Whether you're a seasoned security professional or a budding app developer, I highly encourage you to give MobESF a try. It's a game changer when it comes to mobile app security testing. Section 11. Conclusion. Remember, security is not a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. By incorporating MobESF into your development workflow and embracing both automated and manual testing, you can significantly reduce the risk of your apps being compromised. Stay safe and keep those apps secure.